We are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. To create an order or quote in DeMI, hover your mouse over Shop Products, then Catalog Shop, and finally your desired catalog of products. Now, let's create a quote. Under each category, you will see all the products we offer. Clicking on a product will take you to the product detail page, which will provide basic information about each product. For more detailed information, you can click the More Info button to access the catalog page. Each catalog page will provide additional information such as the new product nomenclature, old product nomenclature, product specs, and the naming convention for smart part numbers. Let's order some single-wall round duct by clicking on the image. You can enter your quantity by typing it in or by using the up and down arrows. Click Add to proceed to the configurator. This is how you will customize your product. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred options and enter your diameter. The length and gauge will default to our standard 10-foot length and standard gauge thickness, but you can always enter a custom length by typing in a value or by clicking the magnifying glass to select an option. You can also choose a different gauge by selecting from the drop-down menu. The details of the product will be displayed on the right side of the configurator. Click Finish to add your configured product to your cart. To add more material, if it's more of what was just added, you can click Duplicate Configure next to the image and change your sizes. To add different material, click Shop Products and choose your material. If you see a mistake or need to reconfigure an item, you can click the shopping cart in the upper right corner, which will take you back to your cart to make changes. From here, you can delete lines or make changes to existing lines. To reconfigure a line, click Reconfigure next to the image. This will launch the configurator to make the changes. Once changes have been made, click Finish, and your changes have been saved. Choose Checkout and complete your quote. As you add material, your shopping cart will populate. Once you are finished, select Checkout. From here, you will have the ability to choose your desired shipping address. Click the Change button next to the Ship To and make your selection. Next, click Continue. Please note that freight is populated in DeMI based on the zip code that is chosen on this step. On the next screen is where you will add your PO number, job name, preferred shipping method, and any comments for customer service. You will also see an option to estimate freight based on the zip code chosen. Once all appropriate information has been filled in, click Continue, and if no other changes are needed, click Submit, and a customer service representative will be in touch with your final quote. To place an order, follow the steps for a quote, but select Order Entry above the billing information on the shipping page instead. This will process your cart as an order directly to our ERP system. Customer service will receive a notification that an order was placed, and you will receive an order acknowledgement within 24 hours. To view previously submitted quotes, hover the mouse over Orders, Order Status, and then click Quotes. This will bring up the list of quotes submitted under your account. To view a quote, click on the quote number. From here, you can convert it to an order. Once a quote is converted to an order, no changes can be made from DeMI, and you will need to contact customer service. To view open orders, hover your mouse over Orders, Order Status, and then click Open Orders. This will populate all open orders with Linx Industries. To view the details of the order, click the order number. To view invoices, hover your mouse over Orders and then click Invoices. This will populate a list of invoices. To view the details, click the invoice number. To view shipments, hover your mouse over Orders and then click Shipments. This will populate a list of shipments. To view details of the shipment, click the shipment number. A new feature has been added to DeMI, the Save Cart function. With this feature, you can start building a shopping cart, and if for some reason you need to log out of DeMI, you can save your cart and access again later. Once you access your saved cart, you will need to add the material from the saved cart to a new shopping cart by using the Add Configuration line. Please note that the Resume Order button is currently not active. You can also duplicate an order or a quote. To do this, you will need to access all orders or quotes. Select the order or quote you want to duplicate, then click the Quick Convert button and choose your order or quote. For coated material, click the Advanced button, then the Coatings Options tab at the top of the Configurator menu. Select your coating type from the drop-down menu and then your color. It is critical to select both the coating type and coating color. Otherwise, the product will be configured as standard. Click Finish to add this configured product to your cart. If you require a product with flanges, toggle the Advanced Options button, select Non-Gasketed from the Gasket drop-down, and then click the Flange Options tab at the top of the Configurator menu. Here you can select attached or loose flanges for each end of the product. If your product does not require flanges, you can skip this step. There is no need to select No Flange. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.